Madam, how far? How you doing? Okay. You say what? When I go there, ask now they wash me. They think what I do for you. You know, say for our office, we don't know what I tell you. Say leave the company. So now every day now, in case I did answer to sell market. If you watch me live, this one has straight chance on Wazobia TV. Straight chance. You get one question one I want to ask, but it's not good for this environment. I go come out here, go all this joint now, all this garage, all this park. Now they will like this question. All the check my joints, you know that kind of thing. I go there now. And the question I want to ask, but before I go ask them, yeah. But the question I'm more trying for the streets. The question is say whether it good make a ban Ogogoro for this country.
You good everywhere.
You good, Abi?
You good, you good.
Why you talk like that?
You're not good for body now.
Ogogoro not good for body. You know the drinker. What you do?
I be afar.
You be afar. Since when I dey here since I noticed something. This guy dey lie well. Madam, e good to ban Ogogoro for this country?
E no good though.
Why?
Just need to do anything like agbojedi, like anything that relates with traditional things. So it's good. It's good.
It's good. Make them ban them.
No. Yes.
But you know, say sometimes this our Ogogoro they dey very raw, and most people they drink and raw, and they cut liver. Not say they butcher liver, they butcher.
Not too much. They will be drinking just small, not too much. Yes.
Because recently, when Nigerians when they go Malaysia, they go sell kidney, they go sell liver, they sell kidney. My brother, Malaysia doctors reject all the kidney because they constantly say some kidney smoke. Not they. Don't get problem. Mama, good made a bank. It good made a ban Ogogoro.
No.
Why?
I don't like him. Ogogoro no good.
You don't like Ogogoro?
I don't like him.
So made a ban them.
Ban them.
Made a stop him.
Stop him.
Production of Ogogoro.
Yes.
Why?
I know good for body.
No good.
Go spoil body.
The spoil body.
Yes.
You know they drink them.
No, never my body.
Never your body to drink them more. Alone. All right, make it there. Still on the matter. Street chance on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, This guy say meat good for body, but Ogogoro not good for body. Okay, how far? How you dey?
I never.
Yeah. You dey drink Ogogoro?
No, I don't drink Ogogoro.
You dey take shepe?
No, I don't drink.
You dey take awapa?
I know they drink anything.
What you call the drink?
Go.
You know Ogogoro man?
No man.
You dey smell for your man sef?
Yeah.
As I talk to you, say you know they drink about the person.
Okay, no, I
don't
drink anything.
Okay.
It's no good for
all right, no, it's good for your body. Oh, I see what you did there. Say, my brother, I'll tell you. Why you want me to ban Ogogoro?
I make it bind down.
Make it stop him.
Make it stop him.
Make it stop the production.
Make it stop him.
Why?
I go to kill the keep person.
They keep the
person well. In the eat liver.
But you know how many person we don't keep?
In this like two. Why I see like this?
Well, your own person.
Yeah, why I know.
I'm saying those person, two of people are near you. I'm saying you go sabi drink Ogogoro now. All right, still on the matter, straight chance of Wazobia TV. All right. How far? How you doing, sir?
No problem.
Hey, Daddy, come. You good made a ban Ogogoro. You know Ogogoro?
Ogogoro, you good to ban now.
Made a ban.
Even alcoholic, not only Ogogoro. Yes, so.
Made a ban them.
Yes, so.
For this country.
It's not good for heads at all.
Not good for heads.
Yes.
But you know, so most of this Ogogoro, they use them for, they prepare roots, they prepare shepe, make things they do okay. All those silver things they flush. Why you go come to that kind of matter?
Well, if they push and there's another medicine too, which they will use. Minus Ogogoro. Herb. Other herb day, minus Ogogoro.
Okay, other herbs they did.
Yes. Ogogoro is good to be banned.
They need to ban the. Made a ban Ogogoro.
Ogogoro, you know good.
No,
forget about that one.
All right, brother, you want me to ban Ogogoro?
No, they never ban. They don't go to ban them.
Why they don't go ban them?
Ogogoro, that Ogogoro, those fat where they want person body. Ogogoro they make a melt.
Melt. Yes. All the good part. To melt. All the body will call it hot.
They
no wonder, and they make you the melt, they dry so. You call it dry.
No. Now person where they drink and do you make them dry.
But you they drink and too much.
No.
Because they drink ogogoro, they join this thing, they chop leaf.
This one are vegetable.
But they chop
now.
leaf.
So I
They chop
vegetable.
one array.
No.
Okay, I foresee whether you don't turn to goat when they chop leaf or not. All right, still on the matter of street chance. Make her enter that park. But
Me and my gogoro.
why?
Why I not drink ogogoro me?
If you are not be last man, I know.
I know why go harass me. I not drink ogogoro. Ogogoro no good. Ogogoro no good. No good for.
So
Ogogoro no be the way person they drink now.
why?
It dey burn heart now.
You born out.
Yeah.
How many people out it don't born?
I don't kill many people. Oh.
How many? There are plenty.
There are plenty where.
You sure?
I sure now. Ogogoro no be the way person they put for mouth self.
I dey go ban ogogoro now. Nigeria product now. The only product we have for this country now I want ban. Man, I not try am o.
Make them ban them.
Make them ban them.
Make them ban them.
Make them not ban them.
They don't keep many people.
Make them not ban them.
Make them ban them.
Make them not ban them.
Ban them.
Make them not ban them.
Make them ban.
Make them not ban them.
Ban them.
All right, these are the crazy moments, you know that kind of thing. Bros, Alpha. Madam, you go want me to ban ogogoro for this country? Eat it. Man, I live there. You mad they think. I know where are these garage people there? Oga. Oga, this your head there. See this your head. Madam, you want me to ban ogogoro for this country?
Ogogoro. Who want drink ogogoro?
Then they ban them, make them ban them, make them stop to the.
Which car ogogoro be that?
Ogogoro na kind.
Kaka.
Sapele water.
I don't know. I know.
Okay, no verse. Let me find trouble. How far?
About
It good make them ban ogogoro for this country.
this country, ogogoro it get important somewhere somehow. But make them not ban and complain because they get their own use.
Oga come. What you talk about that thing? Make them ban ogogoro.
Ogogoro depends on the type of ogogoro you want to ban. But for me, the users of it, they're supposed to ban it because the way people are using it, even the public, in garages, all those things is too bad. But they don't understand me. But this are turned on himself. Not the original ogogoro from the villages. But they are turned on. They should ban. They should know the type, say the grade of ogogoro they want to ban. Not because some people are benefiting from it. Those people in the village that are producing ogogoro, not this are turned on something they are producing here.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah.
So you know what made them ban them?
For me, I don't like it, but the way people are using it,
They are misusing it. They abuse them.
Especially that are not something in Lagos. Every woman here carrying ogogoro about that. That's not original ogogoro because the original ogogoro you can't buy it 1,000 naira a bottle. This one are buying 200 naira or
I'm buying 200 naira. Yeah.
So that's my own take on it. Thank you.
No wahala, thank you. Oga, how far now? How far are you there? Correct. You remember me now? I don't call you like 2 times now. Oga, I get one question when I control today. Oga, well done. I dey greet you. Madam, well done. You go talk for this matter now. See, this gbege when they carry console, you go talk for the matter now. I want me to judge the case. Oga, you want me to ban ogogoro for this country?
Yes, now I want to.
Why?
They keep person now.
They keep person.
No good now.
You know they drink am.
They saw they.
But you dey drink ogogoro before.
I know they drink. Na miras.
Oga, you know.
I want me to ban them.
Make them ban am. Why?
You know, if person drink ogogoro now, every day go dey high for him body.
Yeah.
The sense go dey high. It go be like saying I get sense pass others. So I want me to.
Make them ban am.
Make them ban
So they call the INF. Out of you, guy, want me to ban ogogoro?
Sure now. Ogogoro is not good now. He dey keep person now.
You know they drink am.
I know they drink ogogoro. I know they drink.
But your face be like they drink ogogoro.
Lie. No, I'm a typical Yoruba. I know they drink ogogoro. Ogogoro is not good for body.
But you dey take agbo.
They take agbo. They
take chepe.
No, I don't know. I know they take
But they
chepe.
take all those guy cool down. Nobody you there. They go. You dey take other ones, abi?
No, now only agbo. Now only agbo. The one they cook with ordinary water. You know, say if you take ogogoro, your this leaf go to swell up. That not go keep person. That is why it's
your
not
lip
good.
go to swell up.
Not be my lip. Those people they drink am.
I say that your lip go to swell up.
No, those people they drink am. So that is more reason ogogoro is not good for body. If you drink ogogoro, it go kill the good person. It's not good.
All right.
Yeah.
But Nigeria products. What you think?
Ogogoro good for one side, no good for one side. For example, everything we get advantage, get disadvantage. For example, if you are feeling cold, I understand. You can take ogogoro, but not to take it too much. Okay. I understand.
So, Madam, come first. Get what I want to see. Madam, good afternoon. Yeah, well, now Wazobia TV with this straight here. You get question on our now. You could make a ban of Ogogoro.
This question I can't answer.
You know if you answer them?
Yeah?
Why? You know you drink Ogogoro? My brother, and I have to wrap this program up. I'm going myself. I don't even tire. I don't tire. I don't tire for the work, but I like the work. I don't tire. All right, still on the matter of Street Chance on Wazobia TV. Make it there. If you just tune in, channel 195 start time. If you touch the dial, if you touch her, the TV will shock you. I tell you. Make it.